Hi guys, David Durnell with RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Customer called in and said, you mentioned hidden fees a lot. Can you be more specific? What hidden fees should I look out for, should I be watching for? Real quick, PDI, pre-delivery inspection. There's a big chain right now of stores. They've got over 150 stores. They're charging $900 to $1,700 for a PDI. Again, pre-delivery inspection. That's when they go through all the systems in your coach, make sure it's ready for you to use. Another one is factory freight. Everybody charges factory freight, but you ought to be able to look at it and make sure it's reasonable. If they're charging you thousands of dollars for factory freight, that's not reasonable. Other fees, we saw a tire fee. A dealer in Florida charged the customer over $3,000 to replace their 4 tires and said they're worn out from the trip from the factory down to the dealership. They're not worn out. The customer even thinks they were the same tires on the coach that the factory put on. But again, that's a hidden fee. There's all kinds of other hidden fees. They have all kinds of different names. Another one that's really popular is a walkthrough fee. So you come to pick up your new RV, you need a walkthrough to know how to use it. They charge you again over $1,000 to show you how to use your own RV. We don't charge those fees. We don't have hidden fees. Everything is right up front in writing with RV Wholesalers. How do you protect yourself from those hidden fees? Real simple. Ask them to put it in writing and to say that if they change the price even $1, you get your deposit back. If they won't do that, you need to walk away. But give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. We price protect you. We don't have hidden fees. We'll put the price in writing, and you'll know exactly what you're going to pay when you come to pick it up or have it delivered to you. And again, give us a call if you have any other questions. 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page for more videos like this.